All right, so I'm here in Portugal with my boy Celso from Mozambique, and he's going to give you a little bit of information about his experience here in Lisbon, Portugal.
Hi everyone, I'm Celso. I'm in Portugal since 2008, but I used to come here before on holidays. So I was give my comment that living in Portugal is different than to come in holidays. Because when you come in holidays, you just go to the place that is most visited place, you go to the town, you go to Algarve, you have a different experience. And you know, you have opportunity to know another spot and exchange your point of view, and it's more about relaxing. It's not the same when you are living here. Because when you start living, you have rent to pay, you have bills every day, you know, you have to live with this. I'm enjoying, but I have to pay my rent.
How long have you been living here now?
Yeah, I think I've been here for 2 years, 2008 and 2009, and then I moved to Budapest and Spain, and then I come back in 2021.
So it's a lot easier for you because you speak Portuguese here,
Yeah.
because you're from Mozambique, where Portuguese is spoken.
I will say my first 2 years was very important to have a better life today, because I come, I understand how the things working, I know how to apply to better jobs, I know that this job, this amount that they want to give to me is not enough for me, because I know the market. So now I can choose, I can have better life.
Right.
I can, you know, have time to relax, I can go wherever, travel anytime, enjoy with anything in any restaurant. But 2 years ago, it wasn't like that.
Now you work for a company from the United States,
Yeah,
right?
I work for a company in the United States. We have one branch in Portugal. So I'm working in the IT sector.
Exactly.
So there is a lot of opportunity for people that work with IT in Portugal.
So what would you tell other people that outside of Portugal about Portugal that stands out to you? You know, the good, the bad, and the ugly.
The good, I think, the US, I think, is important to come and feel the experience. Because first of all, there's people. You can work with someone. These people can express in the way you understand that he's speaking wrongly with you. He's being made with you, but it's the way they express. You have to use to deal, know people, know the culture, how they react to how they action. But in the end, you will understand that people are good. But in the beginning, it's like you feel a lot of pressure, but it's the way they live with the pressure. They live to work.
Right.
Not work for live. Yeah.
Like the U.S. and other places. All right, cool.
So then you can find a way to circumvent this kind of life. You know, you can find a more balanced life also.
So was it easy for you to move here from Mozambique, or would you say it was difficult?
Well, it was easy because I was studying in Spain with a scholarship. Then I already belonged to European Union, and then moving to Portugal was easy. But I think from someone that comes directly from Mozambique will be more difficult.
Right.
Because I was studying in Spain, my studies recognized in Portugal because it belonged to European Union. So yeah, everything become more easy if you.
What about the integration of people, like the Portuguese people, the black people, the white people, others from the UK? You've seen a lot of different types of ethnicities and people Do you think that they integrate well here in Portugal?
I think Portugal is one of the place in Lisbon where I was, and they don't look to the race at the first eye, I'll say. Comparing with other countries like Spain and Italy, you feel that when people they don't get together. If you go to a table in a restaurant, it's difficult to see a mix of race. But in Portugal, it's normal. It's normally black with white girl and vice versa. It's normal. Didn't feel. There is always a bit of that, but I cannot feel it in my day.
Cool. Good.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else you want to share with the rest of the world? The other Globetrotters that are out there?
I'll say, never believe when someone says that place is not for you. Go there and check by yourself and live the experience.
That's
and then you'll say, this is for me or not for me.
Exactly. Exactly. That's some good Globetrotter advice.
Yeah. Enjoy.